Alright, if you need to create a document online, yeah, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create a document using Google Docs step by step. First, go to Google Docs or open it through your Google Drive account. Now, click on blank to create a new document from scratch. Once it opens, you can start typing right away. It works just like any word processor. Don't forget to rename your document. Just click on Idle Document at the top and give it a name. You can format text using the toolbar, change fonts, size, bold, headings, and more. Need more than text? Use the Insert menu to add images, tables, or links. Good news! Google Docs saves your work automatically, so you don't need to worry about losing anything. Click the Share button to send your document to others. You can control whether they can view, comment, or edit. You can access your document anytime from Google Drive, on any device. And yeah, that's how you create a Google Docs document. Simple, fast, and perfect for work, study, or anything else.